Hello and welcome, my friends. I think you should prefer the study book rather than go to the virtual world, that is the Google search or like that. So always try to keep a medical dictionary with you, along with you. This is a precise advice for our medical, paramedical and nursing students. You should have a medical dictionary always with you, not the virtual mobile application or the mobile, that is the online books or online dictionary, whatever available in your Google Drive. So rather opt for that, because it always brings you to the virtual world, where the ting tong messages will coming rapidly, and that is deflect your mind from the original subject you are searching for that. So let us start for the medical dictionary part, that is the C part we are carrying with that. That is the calculus. Calculus is the singular, calculi is the plural part, and the calculosis stands for the stone. Like that, the renal calculus does means that the renal stone, or like that. Or that carcine or carcino stands for cancer, that is a carcinoma. There are various types of carcinoma is there. Now the carbo or carbon does stands for the charcoal or charcoal, that is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is also carrying carbon, or carbonuria, that is urea having carbon. Now the cardi or cardio does stands for heart, that is the cardiac, anything related with the heart is that cardiac, or the cardiac arrest whenever a patient is having a cardiac arrest is called the cardiac arrest. The cardiology, the study of about the heart, and the cardioplasia is such type of that is the intravenous injection by which we made the patient hypothermic, that means low temperature, low body weight, and to stop the heart, that is known as the cardioplasia. Now the carp or carpo does means that the wrist, this wrist is known as the carp or carpo, that is the carpal. These bones are known as 8 bones are known as carpal bones. Now the cata. Cata does means that the downward or against or breaking, that is the catabolism is the breaking down of the food materials. The catalase is such an enzyme which breaking something, and the cataract is that the eyeball, when the pupil is going hazy, is known as the cataract. Now the celi is a suffix, or coeli does stands for the swelling or hernia. Thus the gastrocele does means the gastric hernia, or hydrocele. Now the synthesis does means that puncture or perforation. So that is the amniocentesis, when we collect the amino fluid from the mother's womb. Now the centri or the centri does stands for the center, that is the centrifugal force that is going apart from the center, centripetal force going towards the center, or centriole cell organelle that is nearest to the nucleus or the center of the cell. Now the cephal or cephalo does means that the head or skull. Now the cephalalgia. Algia does stands for the pain. So the pain in the head, so headache, that is also known as cephalalgia. Now same word like that, the cerebro or cerebri does means that the brain, like that the cerebral hemorrhage does means that the rupture of the blood vessels. So when blood comes out, so cerebral hemorrhage, when the rupture of the blood vessels occurs in the cerebrum and the blood comes out. Now the cervix or cervico does means that the neck, or now that the cervical that is related with neck, or cerviodynia does means that the pain in the cervical region. Chill or chilio does means that this also is known as the chyle or chilio. That means that the lips, there's the lips, there's the chelioplasty. Whenever plasty does stands for the plastic surgery. So repairing or rejuvenating the lip. The chlor or chloro does stands for green. That like that all of you know that the chlorophyll. Or now the col or coli or colo, that stands for bile. That's the cholelithiasis. That's the formation of gallstone. Cholecystititis that stands when the gallbladder is inflamed. Now the cholecystectomy, it is the removal of the gallbladder. Now the cholecystectomy. Now the choledoc is the bile duct. Now chrome or chromo, that stands for the color or pigment, that is chromogen or chromatography, like that. Here is another form of word, that is the chromasia. Chromasia does also stands for pigmentation. Now the chrone or chrono. Chrone does stands for the, or chronos stands for time. Now the chronology happening thereby, afterby. And the chronic that does mean that a disease with many times. A disease a patient is suffering for many times is known as the chronic disease. Now the chyle means that the alkaline milky liquid or fat is called the chyle, like that the chyluria when the urine is milky in appearance is known as the chyluria and containing fat also. There is the triglycerides. Now the side, CID, side is a suffix. The side means that the killer or killing. Like that the bactericide which kills bacteria, virucidal, which agent kills viruses is known as the virucidal. Now the cis is another again a suffix, that means that the cut or kill, like the excision or incision. The OT related and the nursing related students got help from this word. Cis, excision and incision is there included in every chapter in their curriculum. Now the circum does means that the around or surrounding. That is the circumanal, that is surrounding the anal region, or circumduction. Now the coco or coco, C-O-C-C or C-O-C-C-O, coco, does means that the round or seed or peel. Does means that the gonococcus, round bacteria is known as the gonococcus. Now the coeli or colio, does means that the abdomen or belly. Now the celiac, we are oftenly telling that the colitis or colic pain, this is known as the celiac, that means the pain in the abdomen. Now the crani or cranio, does means that the skull, that is the cranioplasty, that is the repairing of the cranium part or the skull part. Now the cry or cryo, does stands for the cold, that is the cryoprecipitates. Our special preparation is generally practiced in the blood bank area, that is known as the cryoprecipitate. A blood derivatives is made by this procedure. Now the cyan or cyano, that stands for the blue, cyanosis, yani bluish formation of the skin is known as the cyanosis. CYT, cyt or cyto, does means the cells or cytoplasm. Cell or cells or cytoplasm, that is cytology, the study of the cells. Now my dear friends, we again meet in the next video with some prefix, suffix, combining words, and of course the important medical terminologies. So thank you for today.